Welcome today in front of me Lenovo Legion, and I'll show you that the device comes with the earbuds inside the box. So here we get the two USB-C ports, cables, the charger brick, and inside of this paper box we have on the case an adapter to the headphones, and unfortunately we have not here any headphones, so you should buy the earbuds separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.